Supreme Court will hear arguments on two cases involving police searching cell phones, and one of those cases is from here in Massachusetts. WBZ Radio's Joe Mathieu is behind the mic with what the justices could do in this case. Joe?
David, good morning. It's considered one of the most important cases of the Supreme Court's term because it affects so many of us. Just think, more than 90% of Americans have a cell phone. More than half have a smartphone. And we use them to do a lot more than make phone calls. Just think about the huge amount of personal info in there. Someone today called it a digital filing cabinet, and the justices will need to decide whether that cabinet should be held private from police. This all goes back to two cases, one of them in Boston, where a man was arrested for allegedly selling drugs. The man's phone rang at the police station, and it was traced to an address where police found evidence. He was convicted, and that man's conviction was later overturned when the cell phone search was found to be unconstitutional. David, if the Supreme Court backs that ruling, police would need a search warrant to look inside your phone.
Wow, it's such an intriguing case. So, Joe, what are police saying about this?
Well, they want to have access, of course, to as much valuable information and evidence as possible. Law enforcement officials say the phone is no different than other items they're allowed to search, like address books and photos, if you happen to have them in your pockets. But privacy advocates say snooping through someone's phone is like entering someone's home. And a group supporting privacy rights takes it a step further in a court brief, saying mobile devices should be off limits to police if only because they are used to read books and articles. And in this country, that is none of anyone's business.